Haywood, thanks for joining us for Fox 44 News First at 9. Fentanyl overdoses continue to rise, and state officials say they are continuing their work to end it.
Last year, East Baton Rouge Parish had more than 300 overdoses, and fentanyl was to blame for 86% of those. Fox 44's Jacqueline Kissick explains how state lawmakers are addressing this crisis. Hey, Jacqueline.
Hey, Kellyanne Tavares. According to Senator Bill Cassidy, since March of last year, drug overdose deaths have reached a record high of 2,100. State senators, law enforcement, and mental health advocates are working on how to slow down drug trafficking.
Fentanyl is killing over 200 Americans a day.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, fentanyl is 50 times stronger than heroin.
As a physician, I took care of patients with addiction. But it doesn't take a physician taking care of those with addiction to know that we have a fentanyl crisis.
The overdose mortality rate in Louisiana has increased statewide by over 56% between 2020 and 2021.
New Orleans was up 51% in 2020 with 365 overdose deaths. Jefferson Parish up 69%, St. Tammany up 35%, and St. Bernard up 64%.
What we're seeing on the street like never before.
Experts say if the fentanyl crisis doesn't get under control, it could get worse.
Right now, as of the 25th of July, we're looking at 139 confirmed, 36 pending, and that's fatal. And we're looking at 324 non-fatal, and that's all since the first of the year.
Tanja Miles, who is a mental health advocate and a recovering addict herself, she says fentanyl is making its way into everything.
In crack and cocaine, in marijuana, I mean, we're just seeing everything laced with fentanyl. And so we really have to, make people aware that, this is deadly.
The Louisiana state legislature passed a bill by Senator Bodi this year, sending $1 million to the East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office to combat fentanyl use and human trafficking. Sheriff Sid Gautreaux says the money will allow the department to spend more time and resources on finding these drugs.
Sheriff Sid Gautreaux says drug trafficking and human trafficking often go hand in hand, and they plan to work with the Central Police Department in these new efforts. Jacqueline Kissick, Fox 44 News.
Okay, thank you so much, Jacqueline.